Welcome. In front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me is right here. So once you find it, you can hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize how it works. So going really quickly over the settings, in here we have sound and vibration. So obviously you can set up what kind of things can make of sound and vibration during this mode, and the notifications, so which notifications will pop up, then who can call you or message you. So I'm gonna go into calls, because in here we have this option, so ring or allow repeated callers, meaning that if someone calls us twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach us completely bypassing whatever is set right here. So if I set it up to none, technically no one should be able to call us, but if they do twice within that period, they will completely bypass the option right here. Now, messages has basically the same options minus the ring for repeated callers, and we go out. We also have duration. This is a option that basically allows you to set what happens when you tap on the toggle itself. So we have until you turn it off. So it's you have to basically turn it on and off yourself. Then we have a specific amount of time, which can set it up here once, and then every time you tap on it, it will, for instance, enable for 8 hours. And then ask every time, which will give us the two options right here that we have above, with ability to change the time every time we tap on the toggle. So I'm gonna go with that one, and then turn on automatically is just a schedule, which will allow you to set it up and forget about Do Not Disturb mode existence, because it will basically do everything for you. And going back to the toggle itself and how I set it up, so now when I tap on it, it will bring up this window with the ability for me to choose until turn off or for a specific amount of hours. Then simply tap turn on, and Do Not Disturb mode is right now enabled, as you can see right here. Now if you went with the until turn off, you do have to tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. Now that being said, this is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.